Good morning, guys. What's up? Time for this week's edition of Wednesday Wax Wake Ups with Wally. Essentials basketball, 2 autos per box on average. You're going to get 6 cards in a pack, 10 packs in the box. And I think it's a 12 box case. I just grabbed half of them, so we only have to use 1 die to determine which one we're going to open. So let's let her eat. What's up, Sam? Thank you kindly for watching. My nephew, good people. We're going to go box numero 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See how we do. We use the old Crystal Farms cutter. Panini one has not been working very well. Ooh, these boxes, those are fun. I don't know if Jay just brought those in for me for breakfast. I got Brett Favre. I opened up one of those Michael Jordan Wheaties things the other day. Last week? Yeah, last week. I swear to you, the cereal is still crunchy, and it's not even like creepy crunchy. It's crunchy like it should be. It's the best way I can put it. Alright, so we got... Wow! Panini finally went to less packaging instead of more. Maybe that's why this product's cheaper. You just get you one tiny little box with 6 packs in each. Kick it off with Chandler Parsons. All the Chandler Parsons project. TJ Leaf, rookie. Dynamic duo Stockton Malone. Red of Rondo. Oh, sorry, I gotta get him down now. That is not numbered. Nope. LeBron and Dwayne Bacon. Or Dwayne Deadman. So used to seeing Dwayne Bacon. I am undecided on if I think these look cool or not. Jared Allen rookie. CP3. Kings of the Court. Another red, so those ones aren't too tough to get. But the silver, I'm guessing, here is numbered to 99, Spencer Dinwiddie. So well, Pope. I know we are to get 2 autos on average. Hopefully it's not like our Diamond Kings box. Diamond Kings, Donruss, something we got cheated out of our auto. Thanks, Panini. Lynn, Embiid, Jalen, future legend. Boy, did everybody miss on this guy. It was like the one guy in the class nobody wanted. He good. Nobody, meaning collectors. Okay. Looks like you get 1 red per pack. Possibly another parallel. Stanley Johnson. Oh. Wow, it's stuck together. Joel Embiid, indispensable star. A red of Stan Lee. And another Jaylen Brown. Matthews. Oh, here's our first hit. Forward, Jonathan Isaac with true potential. I see your true potential shining through. And that bad boy is numbered 49. Panini's new favorite number, 49. A red of Blakeney. OG. Dwight Howard, a BAM rookie. De'Aaron Fox, an indispensable rookie. Red this time is Bojan Bojanovic. Swish Kings. I like that one the best so far. Kind of looks like an emotion card mixed with something else. Mixed with home run leaders from Fleer Ultra. And Mr. Blake. Frank Mason, Isaac, Hakeem as a king of the court. Red this time we get a franchise foundation of Kemba Walker. And that time was Dwayne Bacon, the rookie. Dylan Brooks, rookie. Dynamic duos of McCollum and Lillard. Avery Bradley, Harry Giles to 99 rookie. If that was Mitchell, it would have made the box. It's nice having a bunch of different rookies that are collectible and people pay well for them. Ben McLemore, and there's our other potential of Justin Patton. More true potential. Winslow's the red. DJ Wilson rookie. Last pack. Hoping for the mojo in here. Aaron Fox rookie. An indispensable Jimmy Butler red is Contavious Caldwell Pope. Dun, 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 dun. And a semi at the end. So this guy here, number to 35. This guy here, number to 49. There's our two autos with true potential, along with a couple of other numbered cards and lots of red parallels. So that kind of seems to be a wrap on Essentials Basketball. We did get our two autos on average. We're going to hit up another video after this one. Thank you guys as always, and the rest of that case will be sitting in the shop ready to rip.